So, pagkita nyo naman, nasa attic lower po kami. Pati itong cord na to, dun sa Blade Master. Diba ayan? Nag-teleport po kami dalawa. Nag-friend po kami. Yan po, para may nagkaroon po dito ng impact. Pati dyan po sa taas. Yan po. Yan po yung sword. Ayan. Yung sword na yan. Tapos may nahulog po dito. Kami dalawa ay na-trap. Ayaw namin mag-reset kasi cool po ito eh. This one. I don't know what is this. Pero may nakita kami ayan po. Yung black po. Speed. So, ayan po. Nakita nyo. Kami ay dalawa. Pinubuhat ko siya kasi napilay po siya. Dahil joke lang. Ito yung out of nowhere. Nakitog na po yun. So, yan, wala akong ano. Pati may nasa taas po. Tumalog po kami dalawa dyan. Yeah. Suka. So, ayan. Parang ito lang po yung nagpapasok po namin. So, mamaya mag-cover kami po kami nagpapasok kami. So, we are bored. So, ito. We are playing. Yeah. Yeah. Wala kami magawa. Yes. Wait a minute. So,
iba kulay naman yung kanya eh, no?
They have no clue what it was, but Woody picked it up and took a bit. To her surprise, it emitted a delightful aroma. This sent the people who've been hungry for 3 days into a frenzy. They promptly chopped it up and put it to eat. Amazingly, they found it to be quite utterly delicious. At that moment, the land of tiny people was enduring a famine, so the man fetched a box of instant noodles and emptied it all into the tiny land.
so ano pag-usapan namin? Tatanong kami.
He opened the bag and saw that it was filled with noodles. He realized it was a divine intervention. Just as the emperor was relieved that the famine was resolved, the next second, a scout dashed over. He reported that the enemy's army had reached the fort, and this result became command herself. However, the enemy was far too powerful. The Empress's army stood no chance against that. Just as the Empress decided to perish with her country, suddenly, two streams of fire erupted on the battlefield, targeting the enemy. Turned out the man was using a flamethrower to assist the Empress. Then the man tossed in some firecrackers. Enemy troops were blasted and scattered in all directions. Seeing this, the enemy leader could only be a hasty. The man lifted his shield and discovered a land of tiny people. Accidentally, he dropped a pack of instant noodles into it. Everyone stared at the object, utterly confused. They had no clue what it was. The woman picked it up and took a whiff. To her surprise, it emitted a delightful aroma. This sent the people who've been hungry for 3 days into a frenzy.
Ooh, no time to dance. All right. This is a big number, guys. This is a big number. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So, we are back.
It's 7.
Kita nyo naman.
7 na,
Easy
7,
work.
7.
Wait, that was 7, right? No, it's 8. You're lying. You're freaking lying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. Real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, it's 7. It's 7. Wait.